Welcome to this Bridgeworks Support video, in which you will learn how to make an iSCSI connection to a WANrockIT node. This will allow you to access devices remotely connected to the node using WANrockIT acceleration. This video will demonstrate how to configure your node's iSCSI target portal, log on to targets using Microsoft iSCSI Initiator, and finally, how to view connected initiators from the node's web interface. If you are using a different initiator, you may skip the second section of this video and refer to the appropriate documentation for your initiator. In this example, an iSCSI virtual disk is attached to a node in AWS, which is in turn connected over a WANrockIT link to an on-prem node. The on-prem node presents the disk on a local iSCSI target. The required steps for these parts of the setup are covered in the videos for logging on to a Microsoft virtual hard disk and connecting nodes on-prem to cloud, which are linked in the video description. The final step is to log on to the local iSCSI target. Proceed to your on-prem node's web interface by entering its internal management IP address into your web browser's address bar. Enter the username admin and then your password to log in to the node. Then navigate to the port mappings page by clicking on the corresponding icon. On this page, ensure that the port from which you wish to establish a connection has the iSCSI protocol mapped to it. In this example, port 3 will be used for iSCSI connections. If you have to make changes to the port mapping, a reboot is required for changes to take effect. Now return to the node's home screen and navigate to the iSCSI target page by clicking on the corresponding icon. If you wish to enable one-way or mutual chat authentication, you can do so under the Authorization subsection. Under the Network Interfaces subsection, you can change the TCP port on which iSCSI is available for each network interface from 3260 to 860, or you can enable both TCP ports. You can also stop iSCSI targets from being presented on a network interface by selecting Disabled. Make a note of the local IP address of the interface you wish to connect to. If you have changed any settings on this page, click Save to confirm. Any changes made will take effect immediately. You are now ready to perform an iSCSI discovery and log on to the node in order to access remote devices. If you are using an initiator other than Microsoft iSCSI Initiator, refer to your documentation and skip the next section of the video. Open the Microsoft iSCSI Initiator application. From the Discovery tab, click Discover Portal, and then enter the local IP address of our node, which you previously noted down. Now click OK to perform the discovery. Move back to the Targets tab to see a list of each target presented by the node. Select the device you wish to log on to, then click Connect. If you wish this connection to be persistent across reboots, ensure the Favorite Target checkbox is selected in this dialog. Then click OK. The Windows host will now be logged on to the iSCSI target using WANrockIT acceleration. In this example, The virtual hard disk is available to use on the host. Finally, you may check what hosts have currently active iSCSI sessions from the on-prem node's web interface. Navigate to the home screen, then click the iSCSI Sessions icon. This page lists the IQNs of all initiators currently connected.